Whoa! What the hell? Shit. Ah, man. That's gonna be a good video. I'm gonna get that ling because they don't let go until you bring them up to the top. Unbelievable video. I better have my camera on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna get that ling too. The trick is when they do that, they call it hitchhiking, because he wants that sea bass. Is don't let their head out of the water. Don't get your head out of the water. And you do that, then you catch yourself 2 fish. One little lingcod, a little sucker, and then you get that little sucker all in one shot. Yeah, that was awesome. That was my bait. So on the little Travella pole,